In this video, I want to go over the nth highest salary problem on Leetcode. And what I want you to do is write an SQL query to report the nth highest salary from the employee table. If there is no nth highest salary, the query should report null. So let us go down and look at an example to get a better understanding of what they're wanting. Here's our employee table with each row, and n is 2. What it wants us to do is to report the nth highest salary, or the second highest salary in this case. And as we can see, the second highest salary is 200. Now the way I solved this problem is I ordered or sorted this table in descending order by salary, meaning that 300 would be the very first record or row, and 100 would be the very last record or row. Once we have ordered it in such a way in descending order, we can then for sure know that the highest salary, or the first highest salary, is the first row. The second highest salary is the second row, or the second value. So in that case, once we've ordered it, in order to get the nth highest salary, we just skip down in rows and get that value. So let us go over here and start solving this problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to select, and we're going to obviously select salary, and we're going to do it from the employee table. Next, like I just said, we need to order this by salary. So we're just going to order by salary. However, we want it to be in descending order. So the very top value or row is the highest salary. So we're just going to say descending. And now we've done that, we need a way that we can skip down in rows and return that value. Well, one way we can do it is with an offset. Offset will skip in rows and then return the one after that. So we're just going to limit this output to one distinct value, and we're going to offset by n. Now what this is going to do is, if we look over at this table, what offset does anyways is say that n was equal to 2 and we offset n. That would skip 1, 2, and then it would get the third value. Well, that is one too many that have been skipped. What we want to do is skip one and get the second one rather than skipping that 2. What we can do is we can set n to n minus 1, and then that should work. So we can't do that inside this return block. We can't say set n to n minus 1, so we have to do it outside of it. And we'll just say set n equals to n minus 1. And this should work so far, but there's one edge exception that we should be looking for, and that's duplicate values. So say that n was equal to 2, and we wanted the second highest salary, and 100 appeared twice. So there was 4 records or rows in this employee table, and ID 1 was 100, ID 2 was 100, ID 3 was 200, and so on and so forth, and we wanted the second highest salary. Well, we would get the second value, which would be 100, and that would be not the second highest salary. So what we need to do is we can say select distinct salary, and what that will do is it will make all records distinct. It'll essentially remove duplicates, and it'll fix that issue. So let us submit this and see if it works. And yes, it does. So that is the nth highest salary SQL problem on Leetcode. I hope that you found this tutorial valuable and you learned something. If you did, I would appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed, and I will see you guys in future tutorials.